Want to start selling custom merchandise online in the Philippines without ever touching inventory? Let's dive into how you can do exactly that using Printify. First, head over to Printify.com and hit the sign up button. You can create an account using your email address or connect with your Google account for a faster setup. Fill out all the necessary information, making sure to accept their terms and conditions once you're signed up. Verify your email address to activate your account. Now, let's connect your online store. Printify integrates with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, and more. Choose your platform and follow the provided instructions to link it to your Printify account. Don't worry, Printify has handy step-by-step guides for each platform to help you. Time for the fun part: designing your products. Browse through Printify's extensive catalog of apparel, accessories, and home goods. Select a product you want to sell, upload your design, and position it exactly how you want it to appear. Pick a reliable print provider in your target region. Printify will help you to compare pricing, shipping costs, and provider reviews to make the best choice. Before you finalize everything, double-check the description and, most importantly, the pricing. After publishing the product to your online store, every time a customer places an order, Printify handles the printing, packaging, and shipping directly to your customer from Printify's provider, which means you never have to hold and store any inventory. You're now ready to start selling your unique designs to customers all across the Philippines and beyond.